Hi, I'm Corinne. This is Louisa. We're the NYC Neat Girls, and we're here to talk junk drawer.
So every home has a junk drawer. It's usually a collection of items that you're wanting to grab easily, like a pen, a stack of Post-it notes, batteries, or birthday candles.
So at Neat Method, we're not opposed to the junk drawer. We just don't think it should be called a junk drawer or look like a junk drawer. We like to, again, measure the space, outfit it with dividers that work for whatever you're storing in it. So whether that is pens or batteries or Post-it notes, giving it a home so that when you open up the drawer, you know where the items go and you want to put them there.
And that's just a good way to keep everything organized, and it will prevent your junk drawer from becoming a disorganized mess of takeout menus and receipts.